Every day, we rise up to build a better tomorrow. We begin our days to create something extraordinary. We are inspired to power the happiness of the millions who trust us. We are Skipper. With our strategically located manufacturing units, we have built the platform of our growth. By executing successful turnkey projects for power transmission, distribution and infrastructure segment, Skipper has earned itself testimonial of excellence as a dependable and reliable partner for its customers. With the continued efforts and innovations of our R&D centers, we are committed to improve our performance and delivery. As a part of its regular certification and validation procedure, our quality commitments are reinforced at various renowned laboratories like ASTA, CPRI and ERDA, in accordance with the latest IEC, BIS, BS and ANSI standards. Our design and manufacturing processes are ISO 9001 certified and all products are CE certified.
Leading by innovation, Skipper is tuned to the prevailing trends of technology and design. We remain committed to uphold highest global standards of quality, efficiency, performance and enhance customer experience.
Skipper products and solutions are the result of the combination of skilled manpower, latest machines having state-of-the-art technology, design and innovation, under the supervision of highly experienced personnel, leading to customer satisfaction. With a dedicated team of professionals committed to design nothing less than perfection, Skipper has the right foundation to grow as one of the world's leading names in the power products and service categories. Skipper has built many alliances with several reputed names in India and overseas. The manufacturing plant in UAE is well equipped with world-class numerical controlled machines. Technically perfect computerized design ensures that quality of our products matches international standards.
Skipper has been more or less like a household name in Nigeria when it comes to the area of infrastructure, especially with regard to electricity and power delivery in Nigeria. Back home in Nigeria, Skipper has not only decided to continue to do all kinds of EPC contracts, but also to begin manufacturing in an area that is very important for the growth of electricity supply market in Nigeria. So I would say that Skipper is quite visionary in deciding to start a very huge manufacturing plant in Lagos, Nigeria.
Skipper has been building quite a number of substations and associated equipment all over Nigeria. And my colleagues were recently in his factory, one of the factories for factory test. They came back with very good stories about what they have seen. The transformers and all the components passed the factory test first time without any repeats. There were no issues. Well, I said the quality will sell itself, and naturally with the reputation we have seen, with the quality that has been delivered and the level of service delivery, with the speed of implementation of project by Skipper, it's naturally going to be a winner.
Skipper was the first foreign investor in the Nigerian power sector, commencing an era of revolution for the emerging power sector. Skipper Nigeria has successfully executed turnkey projects in the field of medium, high and extra high voltage transmission, substation and distribution for power utilities and private industries. The high-quality standards adopted by us for our products are appreciated throughout the world.
Skipper Electricals have supplied us transformers, breakers, CTs, PTs, isolators, etc. and are servicing the equipments since 2008, and our association with Skipper Electricals is very satisfactory and conducive.
Skipper's biggest strength in their transformers is their windings. We've always had great windings from Skipper. We work very closely with the design department to make sure that that Skipper transformers are of the highest quality.
We manufacture power transformers up to 100 MVA in voltage classes ranging from 11 kV to 220 kV, and are presently expanding our production capacity and capability up to 765 kV voltage class. Our client base includes utility undertakings and industrial units such as steel, cement and chemical for power distribution, substations and transmission lines in both domestic and international markets. We have extensive power automation experience to provide global capabilities and specialize in turnkey projects, some of which have been undertaken under the most demanding conditions. Skipper is a leader in SCADA solutions for power generation, transmission and distribution, including renewable energy like solar, wind and solid waste. It has installed photovoltaic systems for grid and rural applications and is working on thermal, hydro and gas power generation plants as well. A diverse client base of the most reputed names across the globe is an evidence of our high standard of quality and performance of our products. Skipper is one of the leading EPC contractors with the expertise and infrastructure to serve the power generation, transmission and distribution sectors.
Skipper is doing a lot of things, not only providing power, but also providing training and human capacity development for the country.
Skipper is an organization with a heart, along with contributions in the field of healthcare and education, where Skipper has been closely associated with various institutions and NGOs in Asia and Africa. Philanthropic projects are taken as a part of our corporate social responsibility as defined in our annual business plans.
Skipper strongly believes in the deliverance, in the quality management, in the human values. People, performances and partnerships has been the prime and foremost factor. When we talk of people, we talk of human capital management. When we talk of performances, we talk of our financial performances, we talk of our project performance. When we talk of partnerships, we talk of brand partnerships, we talk of people partnerships. We are there to work, we are there to touch human lives, and we are there to perform.
We understand that we will achieve excellence only with competent people and commitment to deliver the best. Being one of the market leaders in the world in the power sector, we faithfully protect and manage all that our customer has entrusted to us. We are pursuers of excellence, continuously developing our people resource and improving operations to meet the evolving expectations of customers. We lead the change. We are Skipper.